Hey there, I'm Dave Kyle from Kyle's Touch and Repair. I'd like to thank everybody for showing up for the Calgary Home and Garden Show. And we did do our draw. We have Kevin Heel as our winner of $500 off our services. And we'll be contacting you by email or text message. We have your information here. And again, we are so happy to help out so many people and all their different situations and problems and different projects that they have. And I tell you what, it was fantastic this year. We have the great opportunity to meet so many wonderful people. And yeah, we look forward to working with, we got almost about a year's worth of work, if not more, off of the show. And yeah, it was just so wonderful to help people out. So look forward to keep on writing these books for the DIYers that I plan on publishing, hopefully starting at the end of this year for Christmas sales. And yeah, again, thank you so much for coming to the Home and Garden Show. And we look forward to working with you in the future. So congratulations, Kevin Heel. We'll talk to you soon. Cheers.
Stop. I want it. I got it. I want it. I got it.